The 2026 Nissan Altima, though not yet officially released, is expected to continue Nissan's tradition of offering a well-balanced mid-size sedan with practicality and efficiency. Based on recent trends and the 2025 model's design, the Altima will likely maintain its sleek, modern aesthetic while featuring incremental technological upgrades. Nissan's focus on safety and driver assistance systems should remain a priority, with refinements in ProPILOT Assist and other semi-autonomous features. However, as consumer preferences shift toward hybrid and electric vehicles, Nissan may face challenges in keeping the Altima competitive without a major powertrain overhaul. A notable concern regarding the Altima's future lies in its performance offerings. The discontinuation of the turbocharged 2.0-litre engine in recent models suggests that Nissan is streamlining its lineup, leaving only the naturally aspirated 2.5-litre four-cylinder option. While this engine provides adequate fuel efficiency and reliability, it may not satisfy drivers seeking a more engaging experience. Competitors such as the Toyota Camry and Honda Accord continue to offer hybrid variants, which may further pressure Nissan to adapt or risk losing market share in an increasingly eco-conscious market. Speculation about the potential discontinuation of the Altima after the 2025 model year raises questions about Nissan's long-term strategy for its sedan lineup. While SUVs and electric vehicles dominate the market, mid-size sedans still hold a loyal customer base. Should Nissan decide to continue production, a significant redesign incorporating electrification, enhanced infotainment, and improved performance would be necessary to maintain relevance. Prospective buyers should monitor official announcements to determine whether the 2026 Altima will introduce meaningful advancements, or simply carry forward existing features with minor refinements.